Hello everyone, this is Al-Qassam Galib from Computer Science and my course is Professional Communication. So, today we are standing at an important moment in the history of science. Research and knowledge are growing faster than ever. Every year, millions of people or millions of research papers datasets and patents are added to our world. Yeah, added to our world. This creates a huge amount of valuable information, but also a serious problem. So, did you know that scientific literature now doubles every 9 years? It's impossible for one researcher to read and follow everything. Yeah, we are overwhelmed by information. It feels like we are drowning in data. Yeah, and it is getting harder to spread the useful knowledge from noisy. Yeah. So this is what we call the research bottleneck. Bottleneck. Yeah, a point where researchers spend most of their time were spent most of their time. Pointer research spends most of their time researching how organizing, cleaning, and formatting data instead of thinking, experimenting, and creating new ideas. To move forward, we need a new approach. We need a partner, a tool that can handle the massive amount of knowledge we produce and free researchers to focus on creativity and critical thinking. Today, I am excited to introduce that partner, the AI research assistants. Yeah, so the Vision 2 inside from a manual work, the AI research assistant is not here to replace researchers. It is designed to support and expand the human abilities. Yeah, think about a normal research project. Researchers spend weeks downloading papers, organizing files, and underlining important points. They they clean and prepare data before they can even start analyzing. Yeah, many tasks require long hours, but add every little intellectual value. So this repetitive tasks consume our time and energy. So the AI research assistance task or takes over this heavy administrative duties. It can work continuously, organize huge amounts of data, and process information much faster than humans. This shift allows researchers to focus on the fun and meaningful parts of research, asking good questions, exploring ideas, and creating new knowledge. Instead of being data managers, researchers can become true knowledge creator again. Core capability, literary review. So the first key ability of the AI assistance is lateral review and synthesis. So, old keyword search is no longer enough. Yeah, it's slow and often misses important connections. So, the AI assistant uses semantic search. Yeah, this means it understands the meaning of your question, not only the exact words. For example, you can ask, uh, find the papers from the last 5 years that connected with some things like, or we can say delivery methods with decal execution in solid tumors. So the system will quickly return a ranked and relevant list of results. But it doesn't stop there. It can summarize findings, compare results, and identify contradictions, and it can even show jobs where research is still missing, areas where you can start new work. So future traditional method, AI assistance method, time saving. So we can say search manual, keyword search, schematic context, aware results up to maybe uh, 18%. Yeah. So job analysis experience based objective identification measure insights. This changes lecturer review from a slow chore into a fast and a powerful research launchpad. So, core capability, data analysis, and discovery. So, the second major ability is data analysis. Modern data assets or modern data sets are huge and messy. The challenge is not only collecting data, but understanding it. So the AI assistants can clean raw data automatically, uh, detecting missing or inconsistent value, organize data for analysis. So it it then applies match our machine learning models to discover patterns and generate hypotheses. Yeah, it can also test thousands of relationships inside the dataset and highlight the ones that are most interesting or surprising. So imagine giving it a complex proteomics datasets and receiving a suggestion for new protein interactions that may be important and worth testing in the lab. This is this is not just analyze; it is accelerated discovery. So, number five, core capability or scientific writing and editing. The final stage is communicating results. So, many researchers struggle to write clearly or format manuscripts correctly, especially when English is not their first language. The AI research assistants can act as a writing partner. How? It can help draft sections of the manuscripts, improve clarity and presence, follow also, as we said, improve writing and promotion, also follow the writing rules of specific journals. So, uh, format preferences automatically. This reduces frustration and speeds up publications. So also we can say impact, impact and the human element. So what will happen when researchers start working with these AI assistants? So the first benefit is measurable time savings. Yeah, you can save a lot of time, a lot of your time when you do it this. Early users report up to 40% less time. Yeah, less time spent reviewing, lecturing, and preparing data. But the deeper benefit is human. When repetitive tasks are automated, yeah, and researchers can focus on creativity or critical thinking and design meaningful experiments. So, the goal is not to work harder, but to work smarter and think deeper. The AI research assistant becomes a tool that amplifies the human intelligence. So, we can say also in conclusion, call to action. To summarize or to say the AI research assistants a first three transformational abilities. One, literal synthesis. So how? Fast objective understanding of global research. Global research, yeah. Number two, we can say data discovery, finding new patterns and hypotheses automatically, yeah. But three, scientific communication, free and process academic writing, yeah. The era of overhauled researching is ending. The future belongs to researchers who work side by side with AI tools to push the limits of knowledge. Yeah. We invite you to join a pilot program and see the assistants yourself at our demonstration path. So we can say, stop spending your time managing information. Start spending your time creating new knowledge. So, or now we can add just something and to say it. In the end, the future of researchers will not depend on how much information we collect, but on how wisely we use it. AI research assistants are powerful tools, yeah, but they need thoughtful human guidance. So, we're gonna say some fine pieces of advice. I'm gonna give you some advice to do it. You can say one, use AI as a partner, not replacement. Yeah, to be sure, just to a partner, and it's like help yourself by it, not a replacement. Yeah. Let it handle repetitive tasks, but keep control of judgment and creativity. Yeah. Also, stay curious. Yeah, this is the most important one. Technology can process data, but only humans can ask meaningful questions. I like this one. So, be responsible. This is the most higher thing. Be responsible. When you use AI ethically, check resource and fire results before publishing. So, also keep learning. Keep learning. New tools will continue to appear. Researchers who adapt will lead the future. So, also focus on impact. Free your mind from administrative work so you can work on ideas that truly matter. The future belongs to researchers who combine human insights with AI power together. We can push knowledge forward and open new doors for discovery. So this is all for me, and thank you so much.